So guys, Samsung has gone all in with the flagship foldable smartphone in the second half of 2021, and that risky bet is already paying off nicely, as Samsung South Korea brand confirmed following reports of the strong demand. While Samsung hasn't provided exact pre-order numbers, it's confirmed in a recent statement via Sam Mobiles that interest in the foldable smartphone is at an all-time high, following the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 announcement. According to the company, the pre-order volume for the new foldable devices is already outpacing total sales for Z devices to date in 2021, which is currently an impressive achievement. In other words, in under 2 weeks, Samsung has received more pre-orders for the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 than it has done for the previous Z Fold 2 and the Z Flip 5G since the start of the year. Whether that's enough to make up for the lack of the new Galaxy Note models and weak Galaxy S21 sales will remain to be seen. But analysts across the globe certainly seem optimistic about the Samsung foldable smartphone business. It is believed that Samsung is forecasting shipment of up to 7 million combined Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 units by the end of this year, and recent reports suggest that 800k of those could be coming from pre-orders in South Korea alone. So guys, what makes Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 so attractive? Well, the number one reason is obviously going to be the improvement in durability. One of the biggest downside to foldable smartphone compared to traditional devices is their decreased durability. These foldable displays are much more fragile and hinges can lead to issue. Remember the original Fold fiasco over the short term and long term. With the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, Samsung has taken some steps to improve the situation. First of all, both the devices now offering IPX8 water resistance, meaning you don't have to worry about getting them wet. Dust could be still an issue though. The company is using the ultra-thin glass, which, while not perfect, is still stronger than a plastic panel used on the original Galaxy Fold. It's covered in a protective film, which Samsung has made durability improvement to. The second most important reason is obviously going to be the price. The Galaxy Z Flip 5G landed at $1,500 price tag. The card it was round about $1,200 price tag earlier this year, and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 always retailed at $2,000 in the US. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Fold 3 both cuts $200 off those prices, retailing $1,000 for Z Flip 3 and $1,799 for the Z Fold 3 respectively. And I honestly think that the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be a device which is going to be more in the sales than the Galaxy Z Fold 3 just because of its pricing. Moving on towards the next story, Samsung confirms the existence of the S21 Fan Edition once again. A web page on the Samsung France website that advertised the free YouTube Premium offer mentions the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. It looks like the company accidentally listed the unannounced smartphone alongside with the Galaxy S series. Apparently, Galaxy S21 Fan Edition will come with a 4-month subscription to YouTube Premium. And that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.